Hey guys, this is how to cook a well done bird with me, Mango VR. So first, you take off all the fur, you take off all the feathers, And
you carry it by the neck.
Yep, you carry it by the neck. That's step 2.
And you put it in a pot.
Yeah, you put it in a pot over here.
Then you have to cook it for about 17 seconds.
Yes. Put it in the pot. And now cook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 17. All right. Now, very crucial step.
Wait for the bird to cool off.
Wait for it to cool off. And now, once that's done, beat up the bird with everything you got until it's dead.
I'm getting beaten up.
Until it's dead.
Okay, now we eat.
Now we eat. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. It tastes like.
He's still alive.
And feast until it's gone. Alright, that all it's left is bones. You were
now
good.
Beat the bones to make broth stew.
Yeah.
I am Skeletron.
Okay, he's Skeletron. And now we make beef.
Cook.
And that'll be another video. Bye bye.
Next video we're making beef stew.
Yep. Bye bye. And good night, everybody.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.